Hi, welcome for our online training sessions. In our previous session, we talked about what is ERP, what is Oracle Applications ERP software, and we have discussed about different roles, DBA, functional, and technical. Right now, we are going to talk about the types of modules. What is module first? Then what are the different types of modules we have in Oracle Applications? In those modules, what is functional work, what is technical work, and what is DBA work? That's what we are going to discuss. Because when we apply for a job, they'll ask you which module you are working. First of all, we have to know what is meant by module. So module is nothing but a business process where every company will follow some procedure, where every company will follow some procedure. For example, procurement module is there. What is the meaning of that procurement module? Procurement module is nothing but to purchase the goods from the suppliers. We are going to follow the forms, reports, as well as the programs. Why we required forms? Forms is for data entry. We are going to enter the data and store into the database. Why we required reports? Every company required analysis. End of the day, they wanted to know daily reports, weekly reports, monthly reports, this all, right? So that they'll go ahead with the report. And how about the programs? Why required programs? Programs are required to calculate some logic and formulas and do some background processes we'll be using. So whenever we say what is the functional definition, module is nothing but a group, module is nothing but a business process where the client is going to maintain day-to-day business transactions. For example, sales module is there. What it contains? It contains the sales order process. It contains the sales order process. We are going to have the sequence of business process, sales order statuses we are going to find out. When we talk about this technically, what is meant by module? Module is a group of forms, reports, and programs. Whenever we are going to group some forms which are having the same business functionality or reports and programs, we call it as a module. Okay. So whenever we are working with Oracle applications, there will be hundreds of modules, more than 100 modules we have in Oracle applications. Mainly we have financial modules. We have supply chain management modules, manufacturing modules, HRMS modules, CRM modules, like this PPM modules, university modules, process manufacturing modules, planning module. Okay, like that, there will be a number of modules, different domains we have. So in financials around, we have 10 modules here. Mainly, we have payables module. Payables module is going to be used to maintain every organization payables, whatever the day-to-day payments they are going to do to the suppliers, what are the payments are pending for the next 15 days or next 1 week. And if they want to go for calculate the taxes, calculate the interest, calculate the discount, distribute the payments to multiple suppliers at a time. I have 50,000 suppliers. I'm going to make the payment every day. I can't remember, right? As an organization, I cannot remember all this information. It needs to be configured. So that's what we'll be doing, account payables. And then account receivables, we are going to have receiving information. Both payables and receivables accounts will be maintained in the ledger. Assets module is used to maintain the assets information, company assets like company buildings, company vehicles, company machineries, company infrastructure, interior, office infrastructure, all this. For example, company has purchased today 200 laptops. Each laptop cost is 1 lakh. It's going to be around 2 CR. And they have also assigned all these 200 laptops to their employees. Then after 2 years, what will be the laptop cost? Maybe 60,000 or 70,000. 30% depreciation. So today company asset value is 2 crores. After 2 years, it will be 1.7 crores or 1.6 crores. Okay, the depreciation calculation, company valuation, this all comes in the assets module. Cash management module, projects module, like this. So this all comes under financial. Same thing, supply chain management is nothing but procurement, inventory, sales. Order management, nothing but sales. Supply chain, manufacturing modules, inventory, WIP, BOM, production, planning, and HRMS, core HR, payroll, self-service HR, time and labor, advanced benefits, this all. CRM, service contract, service requests, This all we will find different domains. Okay. So these all we call it as a domains, financial domain, supply chain, manufacturing, HRMS, CRM, like that. These are modules. Every domain will find the modules. Okay. So here DBA is common for all. DBA cannot say that I am a financial DBA or I am a supply chain management DBA or I am manufacturing DBA. He cannot tell like that. DBA is common. He will go for install Oracle app software. He will maintain the security, maintenance, support. He'll take care of the service. That's the DBA responsibility. Then functional consultant is restricted to the particular domain. He will say that I am a financial functional consultant. I am a supply chain management functional consultant. I am a HRMS functional consultant. Like that, they'll tell based on the domain. Financial consultant cannot work in supply chain management. It's not possible. Maybe if there are consultants more than 10 years of experience, if they are very proactive and if they are having advanced level, they may learn supply chain management. But basically, finance consultant will work with only finance modules. Maybe they can have idea about supply chain because there will be an integration between the modules. Obviously, every module will have an integrations. Okay, so that time data will be exchanged from one module to another module. So they may learn some basics of other domains, but they are expert to the specific domain. Okay, you cannot ask a finance functional guy, let's work on supply chain management. It's not possible. Even you give 1 month, 2 months time, also not possible. Okay, so that's the domain wise functional consultants will be there. Next, third one, Oracle Apps Technical. That is our role. That is our job. So when you say I'm a financial functional consultant, sorry, technical consultant, what is your role? In financial modules, I'm developing the RISE components and also customizing the RISE components. Nothing but I'm developing and customizing the reports. I'm writing the programs for interfaces, data loading and data extraction. And also I'm writing the extensions, forms development, form customizations. This is all I'm doing in the financials modules. Okay, so that's the technical role. So if you are working in financials, maybe they can ask you, they give a couple of weeks time. Can you work on supply chain management? Yes. As a technically, we can work after 2-3 weeks in a particular module. For example, next month we are going to get a project in supply chain management, purchasing module, and your manager comes to you. As you are already a technical guy and you are already working in financial modules as a technical, now we are going to get a work in procurement module after 2-3 weeks. Can you be ready for that? Yes, we can do it, no problem. Because for technical guy, the process is same. Only the thing is tables, data model and business flow we have to understand. For example, you don't have any idea about purchasing model so far, and they are asking you to work on purchasing model. It's very simple. You'll take at least 3-4 days time to understand the business flow. Another 3-4 days time to understand the data model. Nothing but tables information. There will be around 40 to 50 tables every module. Important 10 to 15 tables. If you learn all these 10-15 tables, data model, primary, foreign keys, then it's fine. You can easily start working on reports, interfaces, conversions, as well as the extensions. So as a technical consultant, you can say that I'm working for so-and-so domain, but you can go ahead with working with other domains also. That's why we are going to learn both financials as well as the supply chain management technical part, so that when there is a requirement for financial module, your profile will be shortlisted. When there is a requirement for supply chain management module, your profile will be shortlisted. Okay, so both financials as well as the supply chain management, you are going to have it. So we are going to learn in this course both finance technical as well as supply chain management technical. We don't find much difference, just 4 to 5 days difference. If you spend some 10 hours of time, valid time, 10 hours, then it's going to be useful. Okay, so then you can be clear it is. So this is about the modules. What are different modules we will find? What are different domains we will find? This is theoretically required when we are working with the Oracle applications. Not only in Oracle applications, you take any ERP software, we will find the domains are same. SAP FICO is there, SAP MM is there, SAP Sales is there, SAP HR is there. All are same. FICO is nothing but a financials. MM is nothing but a inventory. And SD means sales and distribution, nothing but a supply chain management. HR is nothing but a HRMS. HRMS, HR, human capital management, all are same. But the companies will change the names according to their requirement in a particular options that they are going to provide. Okay. So this is about the definition of the module. What is meant by module? Uh, Functionally, what is the definition? And technically, what is the definition? And what are the different modules, important modules, which regularly used in every project across the world? And most of the requirements will be on financials and supply chain management. These two. Very rare case will get a requirement for manufacturing, HRMS, and CRM. Very few people will use. 80% of the requirements will be on financials and supply chain management. That's why when we learn technical, we'll always learn in the financials as well as in the supply chain management as a technical consultant or even functional guys also. Okay. So this is about the modules and domains and what is our role, DBA role, functional and technical. So DBA is common for any domain, but functional is restricted. Finance functional means you will work only in finance. Supply chain management means only you will work in supply chain. HRMS functional means he will work only in HRMS. Technical consultants are going to work technically any module, but we will have some base like finance. I'm a finance technical guy. I am a supply chain management technical guy. So then we are going to work on that. So this is how it's going to be specified here. So these all different options we are going to have. Okay. So this is about the modules and domains here. It is. Thank you.